Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be talking about how to add a view, actually three view to an app without any storyboard. Also, you need to know that always there is a link to this project source code in comments. Okay, let's start our project. But before that, as usual, I'll show you. Our output will be something like this. So you will see we have a white background and we have three view over each other. As we see here, blue is at the behind, and then green, and then transparent gray. Okay, let's start our project. So we say okay, file, new project, single view app. So we name it iOS Swift No Storyboard, and then I say add view. Okay, as it is no storyboard, so we need to remove a main storyboard. So first of all, we will come here and delete this, then we will go to main storyboard and delete this. Yeah, move to trash. So here no main storyboard, but it's not good enough, so we will go to AppDelegate. So in AppDelegate we need to do something to make it to work without our storyboard. Okay, so we say window, which you see here we declared in top, window equal UI UIWindow, and frame from CGReg, and so it's gonna be UIScreen.main.bounds, and then we say okay, this window question mark dot background. Here I make background black. I just want to do this, and then later I'm gonna change it and I'll show you. Okay, so I say black, and here I just say window dot question mark dot make key and visible. So we make that window key and visible, and here I just say set up our initial ViewController, and say okay, window question mark dot root ViewController equal ViewController, and yeah, it turned true. So we almost are ready to have this project without a storyboard for now. Then we will go to ViewController to see if we can you see it's build succeeded, and here you will see background black. So we don't have anything here, as we say background gonna be black. Okay, so I stop this. I'm gonna go to my view did load and do some code there. So what I do now, I say view dot background color equal UI color white 1 and alpha I say half, so it's gonna be kind of gray. Also I say, you know, just for test, I say print no storyboard ready. Okay, but I'm gonna make my first view or rectangle. So I say let main view equal, actually from type of UI view equal UI view parenthesis open and close, and then I say main view dot frame equal CG rect, and okay, so we need to choose this. I'm gonna choose this one, all integer, so I just say equals 50 at position of the 50, y 120, y 200, and height 100. Okay, so this is gonna be my main view, and then so I say main view dot background color equal UI color dot blue, and at the end we say okay, this view actually from into the roof view, which is our view, just add my main view. Okay, I'm gonna run this to see how it gonna be. Yeah, here you see now background is gray, it's not fully black, and it is you know, we have blue rectangle just sitting here at 50 and 120. Okay, so let's continue. I'm gonna do my second view now. So the same as that one, I say second view. You know, I don't have to declare type. I can directly say equal UI view, but let's do it in the same way. So again, I say second view dot frame equals CG rectangle and all integer. No, this one I'm gonna give on different numbers. So 150, 110, 200, and 100, same size. Okay, and then I give it green background. So I say second view dot background color equal UI color dot green. Okay, and then we say second view dot layer dot mask to bounds equal false. Okay, but you know, I want to add some attribute to this one as well. So I just say second view dot layer dot, that's why I made the mask to bound false first. Okay, layer dot shadow color, for example, UIColor dot black. Actually, no, let's give it yellow dot CG, because background color just accepts CG color formats. Okay, and same for second view dot layer dot shadow opacity. I say 0.5 and layer dot shadow offset equal CG size. So with width and height. Actually, yes, not from CG float. So -1 and 1. Okay, second view dot layer. Now I'm gonna say radius. So radius to my shadow radius, I say 1. Okay, now I'm gonna add this view. So view dot add sub view and second view. Okay, stop the first one, run this one. So we expect this one gonna be over our blue one, but with some shadow, also some radius for my shadow, but it's very small. So to be more visible, I just say -10 and high 10. So stop and run again. So here we go. So you will see shadow now, but those part that goes over the blue one, it's not just because its shadow is not completely, you will see it in different colors, over yellow, over blue, made gray. So now I'm gonna make background color, shadow color black. And also I make this one is too much, so I made it 2/2. Also for radius I make it 10. Okay, but before I run this one, I'm gonna to add a third view. So let third view, now this time directly I say equal UI view. It's gonna find out that type is UI view. And then I say okay, third view dot frame equals CG rect, and this CG rect gonna be integer, all integers. So from put it on 40 and 50, and wide gonna be same 200 and 100. Okay. So now I'm gonna give it some attributes. So I say okay, third view dot layer dot background color equal UI color dot, I make it black, let me make it brown dot CG color. Okay, but I'm gonna add this time, instead of shadow, I'm gonna give it some corner radius. And also for background, I'm gonna give some I say third view dot alpha equal 0.3, so it's not gonna it's gonna be kind of transparent, so you will be able to see behind it. Okay, and now I just gonna add some corner for that, so I just say third view dot corner actually I need to say layer the corner radius equal 12. Okay, let's see how it gonna be. Yeah, we don't have it there yet. You know why? Because we didn't add it to subview, so we need to say, okay, view, from my view, add a subview of third view. So save and run it again. So yeah, this time will be like this. So you will see, my brown there. I make, alpha more, for example, 0.6, and then now run it again to see how it gonna be. So yes, here you are, and you will see that our background is gray, and this brown is transparent, and the corner radius, and this one has some shadow, and this one here. And you will see how is the which one. This one is at the end we added, so it's going to be on top, and this one we first added is going to be on behind. Yeah, that's all for today. So I hope you like the video. If you like it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and of course make sure to watch next video with being subscribed. We're gonna in next one we're gonna discuss that how we can add constraint to this views, and if you have any question, please ask in comment. I'll be more than happy to answer.